hold your yarn tail in your right hand. You're going to loop it from front to back over a finger of your left hand, pinch where they join, remove your finger, draw yarn through, and pull tight. When you pull on the yarn tail, nothing should happen. When you pull on your working yarn, the loop will get smaller, so hold on to it. Now you're going to insert your hook and tighten the loop, just comfortably tight. There should be a small gap. And you're going to do yarn over and pull through. That's one complete chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Repeat for as many chains as you need. I'm going to count all the V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the back you count all the ridges that are raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.